Hello viewers, I'm J.D. Shufflebottom with 2 F's and 2 T's, and welcome to today's Tractor News Network broadcast. TNN is your comprehensive and trusted network of news on tractors. Today's top story involves one of our favorite and most respected reporters here at TNN. It's an In the Field report by ace reporter Mike Massey. It concerns the age-old debate of whether to have a cab or not to have a cab on your tractor. Mike is live in the field and will interview some actual tractor owners to try and get their opinions on whether it's better to have a cab on your tractor or not to have a cab. So we now go live to Mike on location someplace in central Nova Scotia.
Thank you, JD, and welcome Canada and United States and tractor enthusiasts from around the world. This is Mike Massey reporting, and today we're asking ourselves the question, cab or no cab on your tractor? Do you like a cab or do you rather have no cab? And to try to get a better perspective and real life opinion of this, we've come in the field today to the home of Sonny Summerfield, and today we're going to ask Sonny some questions. So good day, Mr. Summerfield. How are you today?
Oh, hey, you just call me Sonny.
Oh, that's great, Sonny. Thanks a lot. And so what do you think? Cab or no cab? What's your opinion?
Well, you know, Mike, do you mind if I call you Mike? You know, I'm a big fan of yours, Mike, and of TNN, too.
Sure, Sonny, and thanks for the support for the Tractor News Network, your comprehensive network of news of tractors.
Well, Mike, you can see I've got a cab here on Old Red. What a great tractor. Awesome tractor. And you know, the cab, I think it's the best thing since the Montreal Expos. And you know, with a cab, you can run your tractor summer, winter, doesn't matter. Windy, cold, snowing, raining, doesn't matter. It's short sleeve season all year round.
That sounds pretty nice, Sonny.
It sure is, Mike. You know, when I'm on the tractor and sitting here in the cab and you're looking around, boy, it just doesn't get any better than this.
Thanks for your perspective on that, Sonny. We sure appreciate that. Now, if you don't mind, if you could hold on for a bit, I have to switch back to the newsroom for some breaking tractor news.
Sure can, Mike, old buddy. No problem, man. I can sit out here in this cab in the wind, in the snow, in the rain, all year round. Doesn't matter. I'm nice and comfy and cozy out of the weather. Take your time.
Okay, JD, it's back to you in the newsroom for some important TNN tractor news.
Oh, yes. Thanks, Mike. Here is some tractor breaking news. Yep, John Deere again. Well, there's not much newsworthy about a John Deere breaking down again. So let's go back to you, Mike.
Thanks, JD, and I'm sorry to hear about your John Deere breaking down again. But anyway, let's get on with our lead story, and we're going to check now with the no cab camp. And for that, we're going to get some input from Rusty Wright. Rusty, how are you today?
Who the heck are you and what are you doing around here?
Well, Rusty, my name is Mike Massey from TNN.
What? TNN? What the heck is that? Tuesday night tacos? Is that even a thing?
No, Rusty, TNN means the Tractor News Network, the comprehensive network of news of tractors.
Oh yeah, TNN, eh? That's cool. Hey, and that's what I am. In fact, I'm way more than cool. I'm friggin' freezing out here in the cold, man.
I couldn't help but notice that your tractor has no cab. Are you a no cab kind of guy, Rusty?
Don't be that. Cabs are for homeboys. You know the kind. You know, they wash their tractors every day. They grease their attachments. They probably even change the oil on time, too. Yeah, no, I don't like cabs. I'd rather go commando style, right? You can smell the air and feel it around your body. Commando style. Give me commando style every time. No cab for me.
Thanks for that interesting viewpoint, Rusty. We sure appreciate that. Now, if you wouldn't mind, could you hold on for a sec? Because we have an important announcement coming from the newsroom, and we have to switch back to JD.
Yeah, sure. Go for it, old trout. Fill your boots. Look at me, I'm dressed for the cold. I can stay out here for hours on end if need be. Don't worry about me.
Okay, thanks for that, Rusty. Now back to you, JD.
Thank you, Mike and Rusty, for that informative opinion report. We are getting some valuable insight on cab versus no cab today. Now in tractor news, Kubota is introducing a new financing plan to assist with the purchase of new Kubota tractors. It requires a very large upfront down payment. They are calling it the front-end loader deal. Now, I think Mike has an update on the cab versus no cab lead story.
Yes, thanks, JD. And now we're back with Sonny Summerfield. And Sonny, I can tell that you're a cab man from looking at your tractor here. So any special reasons why you're sold on the cabs?
Well, Mike, a cab on a tractor, it just looks so darn nice, eh? And you know, like you can go on the tractor and you can sit out here and you can drive, and you don't have to worry about bugs. You don't have to worry when you're blowing snow. You don't have to worry about the snow going in your face. It's just so nice, and there's a wiper here in the rain. You can wash off the windshield and wipe it clear. It's just, and you know, and you don't need a big heavy jacket. It's like lightweight, fall, winter, doesn't matter. You're just comfy and cozy in the cab.
That sure sounds like you're sold on cabs, Sonny, and I can see why. Thanks for doing this for TNN, the comprehensive network of news of tractors. JD, are you there? We're switching back to you.
Yes, Mike, I'm here. I have a tractor news brief to read before we continue with your field report. It seems that Dave has really upped his maintenance procedures recently, and he says this is very important. He said recently, and I quote, "I have upped my maintenance routine on my Mahindra. Now up yours." Okay, Mike, back to you for some final words.
Okay, Rusty, the final word goes to you about cabs or no cabs. Do you have any final thoughts on the topic?
Well, what have I got to add? Well, I'm a no cab guy, so there's nothing more to add. That's just it. Bottom line, no cab, right? But you know, when you're out in your tractor, you're driving, and you can feel and smell the country air all around you, and you can hear the tractor working, and if, you know, something happens, you hear about it right away, and you know something's going to happen because anything can happen in a small town. So, no cab, that's the way to go, buddy.
Thanks for your honest input on that topic, Rusty. We sure appreciate that, and I thank you for your time. So folks, that's it, cab or no cab. You make up your own choice, I guess. And this is Mike Massey reporting for the Tractor News Network. Now back to you, JD, in the newsroom.
Thanks again, Mike, for your special, live, on the spot, in the field reporting. And folks, I just want to say in closing, thanks for choosing TNN as your source of comprehensive network of news of tractors. And remember, you don't have to wear your tractor news briefs to read them. Thanks for watching. Have a good evening and take her easy.